After fabric cutting, every garment panel moves carefully towards sorting for accurate production flow. Operators separate front, back, sleeves, collars, and pocket pieces with careful precision every time. Each cut panel gets inspected for size, shape, grain, and cutting quality before bundling begins. Workers organize garment pieces according to size, ensuring every bundle remains perfectly matched together. Bundle tickets receive style numbers, sizes, colors, quantities, and tracking identification for sewing operations. Every bundle contains accurate panel quantities, preventing shortages and production mistakes during stitching processes. Different colors stay separated carefully, avoiding mixing problems throughout garment manufacturing and sewing production. Inspectors verify notches, drill marks, and alignment points for smooth assembly during garment stitching operations. Finished bundles get securely tied, labeled, and prepared for transportation to sewing departments safely together. Organized bundles travel directly toward sewing lines, keeping production fast, efficient, and perfectly controlled every day. Proper bundling reduces defects, saves valuable time, and improves overall garment production efficiency significantly every day. Accurate sorting and bundling build the foundation for high-quality garments and efficient manufacturing success always.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.